Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my daily routine for optimal wellness and see if I can stick to it for a whole week. When we think about achieving optimal wellness, we often focus on grand gestures like dramatic diet overhauls or committing to intense workout regimens. But the truth is, it's the small, daily habits that can have the most profound impact on our overall health and well-being. By incorporating simple, sustainable routines into our daily lives, we can experience transformative benefits that last a lifetime. One of the biggest hurdles to maintaining healthy routines is undoubtedly our busy schedules. With work commitments, family obligations, and social responsibilities, it can be tough to prioritize self-care. Many of us feel like we're constantly running on empty, with no time to spare for meditation, exercise, or healthy meal prep. I know I'm not alone in feeling like I'm stuck in a never-ending cycle of exhaustion and stress. Before we know it, our health and well-being can start to suffer as a result. We've all been there. We start the day with the best of intentions, only to get derailed by unexpected tasks or last-minute changes. And before we know it, our carefully crafted plans for self-care and wellness go flying out the window. It's easy to get discouraged and give up, thinking that achieving optimal wellness is just too hard or too time-consuming. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be. By incorporating small, achievable routines into our daily lives, we can start to experience tangible benefits that add up over time. I think a lot of us feel like we need to make drastic changes in order to see results. But the truth is, it's often the small, incremental changes that can have the most significant impact. By focusing on making tiny tweaks to our daily routines, we can start to experience profound benefits that extend far beyond just our physical health. One of the most powerful daily routines I've incorporated into my life is a morning ritual that sets me up for success. It's simple. I take 10 minutes each morning to meditate, followed by a 10-minute journaling session. That's it. It's not flashy, and it's not time-consuming, but the benefits are profound. By taking just a few minutes each morning to focus on my mental and emotional well-being, I'm able to tackle the day with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Another key routine I've found to be incredibly beneficial is mindful eating. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or restricting calories. It's simply about paying attention to the food I'm eating, savoring each bite, and enjoying the experience. By slowing down and being more present during meals, I've noticed a significant reduction in stress and anxiety, not to mention a boost in overall energy levels. Exercise is another daily routine that's had a huge impact on my overall well-being. I'm not talking about marathon training sessions or grueling gym workouts. I'm talking about simple, achievable activities like taking a 30-minute walk during my lunch break or doing a few yoga poses in the morning. By incorporating physical activity into my daily routine, I've noticed improvements in my mood, energy levels, and overall physical health. I want to share a personal story that really drove home the importance of daily routines for me. Last year, I was going through a difficult time, struggling with anxiety and depression. I felt lost and stuck, and I didn't know how to climb out of the darkness. But then, I started incorporating a daily mindfulness practice into my routine. It was just 10 minutes a day, but the impact was profound. I started to feel more grounded, more centered, and more at peace. It wasn't a magic fix, and it wasn't a quick fix, but it was a start. And slowly but surely, I started to see improvements in my mental and emotional well-being. The key takeaway I want to leave you with is that optimal wellness isn't about grand gestures or dramatic overhauls. It's about making small, achievable changes to our daily routines that add up over time. By incorporating simple, sustainable habits into our daily lives, we can experience transformative benefits that extend far beyond just our physical health. Recap time. Today we talked about the importance of daily routines in achieving optimal wellness and explored some common challenges we face in maintaining healthy habits. We also dove into some specific daily routines that can easily be integrated into anyone's life, from morning rituals to mindful eating and exercise. And finally, I shared a personal story that highlighted the power of daily routines in transforming our overall well-being. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a favorite daily routine that's had a profound impact on your well-being, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on enhancing your mental wellness, be sure to check out my next video. Until then, stay well